Yeah, they do share HP.
Five, four, three, two, one.
The strands of life have been severed. The dreamers must be avenged.
That's always take priority, guys. Move out of the AoE. Dispel the root, move out. You arrest him. Stun the flower and kill it out.
We're gonna move out, Lily.
We'll be swapping dragons soon. Take him a little bit more towards yellow, quick.
Yeah, I was just
Okay, I'm gonna take him now, and then we switch. There's a flower in the middle of the room, guys. You have top and yours. The breath came. Hold on.
Come forth, dreamers, and claim your vengeance.
Doing very well so far, guys.
Jinx.
Oh, I never jinx. There's the flower near the orange marker. Someone get it. Nice, good job.
Come forth, dreamers, and claim
Be prepared to switch Equi in like 5-6 seconds. Let's switch. Oh shit, my dragon took off. Just you take the new one and I got...
Come forth, dreamers, and claim your vengeance.
I forgot to mention that the Sandra never takes off, it's only the other dragons that switch. There's a flower at orange, I think. Flower at blue. Shield wall.
And claim your vengeance.
Okay, we're going to switch now, actually. Watch out for the green gas, that will sleep you.
Flower on blue. Only need one to stand in if everyone takes damage. They're in.
We got those ads. Nuke the ads. Pull them a little bit back. Potion. Just cleave him. Good job. Watch out for the green gas, it'll sleep you for a long time. It can be dispelled though.
Alright.
It's okay. Don't stand in front of him. You can go to the right side if you need.
Come forth, dreamers, and claim your vengeance.
That's...
Bandit orange.
start switching equip. Got your
Nice shot. Got the damage.
He's gonna die now.
Out on the flower over here.
sneaking down.
Again.
Good job.
Yep.
Nice.
Haste mastery.